Hey guys, Carl Ferrara at MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. Today I'm going to bring you a Key West 2019 model 239 FS. Let's jump on inside and see what we have. Great thing here on this Key West, guys, is this has the upgraded horsepower 300 horsepower Yamaha on it instead of the standard 250. So it will get you out to your fishing spot in a hurry, get you home in a hurry if need be, and maintenance has been done routinely on it. So you have no worries there. A great rear bench seat all the way across the transom here. Plenty of seating if you just want to use it for an island day or cruising around and entertaining. Plenty of space there. Live well in the back to hold the bait. And then you're going to have also speakers all the way around, again going back to the entertaining aspect if that's what you desire. Up toward the helm here, two bench seating here for your captain. 9-inch Garmin electronics, everything in great working order. Probably one of the more popular boats you're going to see in this region, period. And for it to be in great shape, it works really well for you. Moving our way forward past the helm here, got a bench seat right in front. Again, more entertainment value. You got the table insert in between your bench seats up front as well. Rocket launchers all the way around, plenty of rod storage if you want to use it, and of course you got the Minn Kota trolling motor as well to keep you spot locked on that fishing spot when you get to it. A great boat overall, like I say, kind of that perfect range of around 23-24 feet. The owner who has listed it with us has moved up north, so he has to get rid of the boat. So give me a shout. My name is Carl here at MarineMax. 334-695-6035. I look forward to helping you out.